Delhi, the capital city of India, has rich culture and vivid history. From forts to mosques, from markets to spellbinding scenic beauty. It will be interesting for anyone to visit this cultural rich city. So in this video, we'll be talking about top 10 interesting places you can visit in Delhi. So let's begin. Number 1. India Gate. India Gate holds an important position while talking about places to visit in Delhi. The names of around 13,300 servicemen, including some soldiers and officers from the United Kingdom, are displayed on the gate, because of which it is also known as All India War Memorials. It is situated as Rajpath, which is almost at the center of Delhi. Anyone can visit India Gate at any time without paying any type of entry fee, as it is open 24 hours and 7 days. Chandni Chowk. It is known as one of the oldest and busiest market in India. It is a place where you can find everything at a reasonable rates, from saris to suits to electronic items to accessories to ornaments to footwear to food item to shawl to sherwani to decoration material to lantern and whatnot. You name it and you'll get it. Originally, the market contains 1,560 shops and the market is 40 yards wide and 520 yards long. That means 1,520 yards long. Akshardham. It is a fantastic place to visit if you are planning to visit Delhi. It is famous for unimaginable architecture, great theme show. It is open for tourists irrespective of their caste and religion or creed. It is known as one man's creation in 5 years. It is near to Akshardham metro station and the visiting hour for the same is 12 am to 8 pm. So anyone who is planning to visit Delhi, do not forget to just have a look at this architecture because it is remarkable. Humayun's Tomb. If you are planning to visit Delhi, don't forget to visit Humayun's Tomb, which is situated near Nizamuddin. It is the tomb of Mughal Emperor Humayun, who was the great emperor. It is the first structure which has used red sandstone and it is inspired by the Persian architecture. So if you are planning to visit any time Delhi, do not forget to visit Humayun's Tomb. The visiting hours are normal from 10 am to 8 pm and there is no entry fees to visit Humayun's Tomb. Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is an attractive place to visit in Delhi because of its architecture and shape of a lotus colored in white. The structure is built of 27 free-standing marble-clad petals in clusters of 3 to form 9 sides. It is open to all irrespective of age, color, caste and religion. It has no picture inside of any god or anyone, as it is based on Baha'i faith concept. It is situated at Nehru Place and the entry is completely free. The timings are from morning 9 am to 7 pm except from Mondays. Jantar Mantar. It is one of the most visited places in Delhi in terms of heritage and culture. It was mainly designed in order to compile the astronomical tables and to predict the movement of timings of the sun, the moon and the planets. It is open on all days from 9 am to 7 pm. Indians have to pay ₹5 as entry ticket, whereas the foreign tourists have to pay ₹100 as an entry ticket. It is located at Sansad Bhavan, which is near to Connaught Place and which is almost at the center of the Delhi. So if you are planning to visit Delhi, do not forget to visit Jantar Mantar as well. Qutub Minar. It is known as the heritage site. The Minar is surrounded by green garden. It is an ideal leisurely place for visitors. It is one of the most visited places in India. It is 72.5 meters and it was built by Qutb Uddin Aibak, which was a Mughal emperor. It is a masterpiece of Mughal architecture and it is situated as Aurobindo Marg Mehrauli. And it is a great place to visit. You can just spend good time over there with yourself and with your family. Agrasen Ki Baoli. It is the most fascinating tourist place in Delhi. It is one such mystical place located within the city but far from the hustle of the city life. It is said to be the haunted place in Delhi as well. It has 60-meter long and 15-meter wide historical steps as well. Anyone can visit on any day of the week during 7 am to 6 pm, and there is no entry ticket in order to visit Agrasen Ki Baoli. Red Fort. It is built by Shahjahan in the mid 17th century. Since then, it has been an attraction for all the tourists all around the places. The fort was the seat of the Mughal Empire for around 200 years until it fell into British hands. It is open on all days. Anyone can visit without paying any sort of fees or entry charges. Hauz Khas. The Hauz Khas village or HKV is a perfect place if you want to experience the beautiful past with the memorable present. It is famous for different kinds of restaurant, cafe, partying, art, shopping, photography, experiencing view, scenic beauty and fabulous architecture. There is no entry fees in order to enter into HKV, but if you want to visit to any restaurant, cafe or anything, then you have to pay separate entry fee. The complex is open from 10:30 am to 7:30 pm. I am talking about the complex, but if you want to visit separate things like restaurant or something, they are open till midnight. So if you're planning to visit Delhi, don't forget to visit these places. I hope this video will be helpful for you if you're planning to visit Delhi. If you really like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that next time any video will be uploaded, you will be notified first. Thank you for watching.